Yeah, I can feel it getting cooler later.
Mm-hmm. That's probably when I fell asleep. You know, at like 4.
Is that what it was?
Well, we're all packed up, ready to start day 2. Headed to Juneau, Wisconsin. Much windier day. It's gonna kind of be a headwind, about 14 miles an hour, but much cooler. So I think I'd rather have the wind and the coolness than the heat we had yesterday and earlier in the week. So yeah, decent campground. The only problem is, I think like I mentioned in the video before, no water. So thank God Linda was there to pick up Jerry and we get that spring water. So definitely had enough through the night. So anyway, we're gonna hit the road now. That is so cool. There's this little tiny tree frog in this garbage can. So this is the spring they went to last night to get us water. I guess it's been flowing since 1895. It was hand dug to a depth of 55 feet. That's pretty cool. It was really good water too. Ice cold, of course.
I don't think so, but I don't think it's not that early, at least here.
Well, we just stopped for coffee and whitewater here. Definitely hit the spot.
It was held together by screws, but the screws penetrated 2x4s to the next 2x4s only a little bit, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And I said, let's go into town and get some long screws and see if they have us to fix it or whatever, but they said they'll take care of it.
These are some cool looking roads.
I like
windy.
Yeah, it bends.
Cool historical marker here. Lincoln had been discharged from the Army and was headed back to New Salem, Illinois, like 250 miles away. He was spending the night here and his horse was stolen. So he ended up, I don't know how, but canoed and walked back to New Salem, Illinois, 250 miles away from here. Pretty impressive, pretty cool. It was during the Black Hawk War. Downtown in Jefferson here, cool bike bridge, pedestrian bridge. Bunch of little restaurants and stuff down here. It's awesome. We are stopping for some mandatory ice cream.
We did. Just like this.
Yep.
That town is really on a hill.
We're almost there. Just a little under 10 miles left. It's getting later. It's like 5:30. So should be there by 6:30, 7 o'clock, no problem. It's not the Wild Bill Trail, but it's the Wild Goose Trail. All right, we're in Juneau. That's where we're gonna camp, in the city park. I'm gonna check this out if you want to check out the campsite.